We're just going to fit the new source of solenoid. Super pleased with this little unit, 10 quid or 12.50, whatever it was. It looks actually better quality than the original, or it is exactly the same as the original. Anyway, let's get this fitted. Welcome to part 13. Okay, it's the what's it called? Start solenoid in. It's all nice and neat. Should be good. Dun 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 dun! Yes, look at that. Does the neutral switch even work? Oh yeah, first gear. I think it's got the neutral finder, this, isn't it? The Kawasaki neutral finder. Shouldn't be able to get second. Yeah, I can't. Yeah, it won't go into second. Yeah, remember them. Yeah, it's really good. So the side stand, which we had freshly powder coated, as I said before, the bolt is showing some road rash on it. So I think we've got two choices basically. I can try and get a new bolt. Now the bolt are discontinued from Kawasaki, so I'll try and find a pattern one, hope it fits. Or I've got another bolt, but of course it's the wrong thread because it's European M10, which is 1.5, not 1.25. So could either buy the bolt or buy a helical kit and change the thread to the correct size. I think it's about the same price for both, so I'm tempted to have the helical kit. So I'll have to go away, do the research, and make a decision. Okay, little experiment now. I had a little go at doing the tank, as you can see, and I thought, oh my god, I can't really take it. It just makes so much mess. I've got so many bikes on the drive. It's just going to make an awful mess everywhere. Let's try some paint stripper now. Paint stripper has just been useless for years, so I'm not expecting much. But I bought this aerosol paint stripper. I was going to see. It's designed for automotive use. Some reviews saying it works. Let's just give it a go. Spray liberally onto surface at a distance of 15 centimeters, ensuring good coating. Leave for 15 minutes to soften and dissolve the paint. Okay, remove with the scraper. Repeat as necessary. Right, let's give it a go. Right, that looks like it's working. That is pretty much attacking the paint, isn't it? Doing something, not sure what. Yeah, this is definitely got all that thick silver paint off the top, and it's taking the white down there back to the bare metal by the looks of it. I think what it looks like is that there's like 3 layers of paint on the top, isn't there? It looks like it's like a beige primer sealer, and a grey primer, and then the white, and then the silver. So there's 4 layers of paint on the top, I think. But on the sides there's only 3 layers or 2 layers, so it's just taking them off. But hopefully it's taking a lot of the work out of it. Just get the sander on that now, hopefully, and hopefully that'll go down back to the metal. Okay, so we made a good start with the tank. So a combination of orbital detail sanders, heat gun, paint stripper, and it is slowly just combination of all of them, just keep going until it basically have to go down to bare metal. I think this pink stuff's actually filler, so try and stay off that. It looks reasonably good. It's working. This paint stripper seems to work okay. Do need quite a bit of it on though. Doesn't look like there's any primer on the bottom. It's just bare paint, so to add. Well, I'm quite impressed with that stuff, to be honest. Where there's no primer, it's very effective. Really lifts it off. It's taken about 90% of the work out of that job. Super pleased with it. Just to go over it again, it is Auto Tech Professional Paint Stripper, just off eBay. It's about a 10 out of 10. It's probably worth it, to be honest. I did the rebuild, paint preparation's just the worst bit. I hate it, absolutely hate it.